Hello everyone, welcome to another video on how to activate your PNC Bank debit card. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. To activate your PNC Bank debit card, you can follow these steps. So the first step is to retrieve your debit card. Ensure that you have received your PNC Bank debit card in the mail. It typically arrives within a few days after opening a new account or requesting a replacement card. Next, on second step, we got calling the activation number. Locate the activation phone number provided on the sticker attached to your debit card or in the accompanying activation instruction. It is usually a toll-free number. Next, dial the activation number. Using a phone, dial the activation number and follow the automatic prompts to activate your debit card. You may need to enter your card number, expiration date, and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification purposes. Now, on fourth step, we got creating a personal identification number, which is your PIN. During the activation process, you may be prompted to create a PIN for your debit card. So choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Avoid using obvious numbers like your birth date or sequential numbers. Next, on fifth step, we got verifying activation. After providing the necessary information and setting up your PIN, listen to the instructions to confirm that your debit card has been successfully activated. The automated system will likely provide you with additional information or options. Now, once you're done with verifying activation, the next step is to sign the back of your card. Once your debit card is activated, take a moment to sign the back of the card in the designated area. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized use. And then finally, the last and final step is to test your debit card. To ensure your card is working properly, try making a small purchase or withdrawing cash from an ATM using your newly activated PNC debit card. And if you encounter any issues during the activation process or have any questions regarding your PNC Bank debit card, it's advisable to contact PNC Bank's customer service for assistance. They'll be able to provide guidance and address any concerns that you may have. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.